Hey, what's up everybody? This is Daniel Lopez, the Blind Samurai, and today I was gonna do an unboxing of the Musha Crimson Rain shirasaya. This is my first shirasaya ever, so here you go. Let me get the box for you guys. Sorry, I know the letters might be what's it called? Reversed or something because of the camera. I'm using the front camera of my phone and it seems to be taped. I didn't think it was taped. Let me get something. One of my knives. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna try opening it with those plastic knives, the CIA knives. Here we go. This is the thrower, the one that's like the thrower shape. They feel pretty sharp. Pretty sharp for being plastic. Let's see if it cuts the tape. Yep, it cut the tape. This little plastic knife right here. Thrower. I'm happy they didn't ship it in the in the actual sword box. That's cool. I don't mind taking the tape off this way. When they ship me the box, it's a little bit harder for me to open. I'm excited about this sword because that is, like I said, it's gonna be my first shirasaya and it's Musha. I love Musashi and Musha. They make really cool swords. I'm not really excited about the color. The color is red. It's one of my most hated colors. Okay, let's see how they packaged it. Let me put away my knife. Okay. Okay, so the Musha box, it's really nice. They say Musha on it or Musashi. And this one, I like these, the one that has a lid on it. Okay. Let's see the foam. They didn't put that much foam in here. I don't know if you guys could see in there. Yep. Yeah, so these like $60 to $100 swords, they don't really, like a lot of sword companies don't really put that much into the packaging. Okay. See, I don't want to slip out of the. Sorry, I'm wearing my headset, so it's kind of weird the way I am hearing. I don't know what side to it. Okay, seems like this is where it opens up. Like I said, I never had one of these before. So hopefully I am not holding it upside down. That would be hilarious. Okay. This feels really nice and slick. Feels really cool. It's nice and curved. I didn't think it would have like... I thought it was going to be more straight of a sword. I could feel here on the handle. Let me make sure you guys could see. It has a little pin. This is the Musha, so it should be gold. It should be all red, and this should be gold or crimson. It feels really nice though, and it's cool because I could kind of I think I pushed in the pin. So, okay, I'm gonna open it right now. So where the curve is up, that's where the pin feels like it's up. It feels like it got pushed in through the finger side. Sorry. I don't know if you guys could see. If not, if not, I could make another video later when I get help. I kind of did get help, but like, not really. So this one, I guess I'm gonna just push. I'm holding the handle with my right hand and the scabbard with my left hand, and I have them close together. I'm gonna push on both my thumbs on the side of the sword to open it up, and it's not opening. Okay. Yeah. Oh, because it does feel like it's stuck on there pretty good, which is an okay. Usually when they get like that, you could push it open with your two thumbs. There we go. I opened it just as I said with the two thumbs. Okay, I'll take it out. And here we go. Okay, it has a nice fuller on here. Let me see how long it goes. Oh, cool. I'm gonna grab it from the fuller in here so I can show you guys. This one has I think it has a wire brush hamon. It feels like a wire brush hamon is on there. This blade is pretty thick. I apologize if I'm not getting a good angle of it. Let me see the handle. It has a habaki. Okay. Let me see the tip. What kind of tip does it have? It seems like if it has like a medium tip to it. It's really cool. So I guess the only difference between this and a regular katana is that it doesn't have the ray skin, the wrapping on the handle, and the suba, the handguard, or a pommel. But it feels really nice though. It's pretty cool. I don't know how sharp it is. It feels the geometry of it feels really nice. It's like pretty big. I'll show you the back of it. The back of it has that little point and the spine, which I like. I don't know if you guys can see it well or not. I'm gonna move it a little bit. Hopefully you can see the point. And I'll go all the way back over here so you can see the handle. Oil wise, it doesn't feel, it does feel a little bit like oily. Not that much. I do re-oil these afterwards. So no worries about that. Now I'm gonna check. I'm gonna wiping my hands off my bed sheet. I'm gonna check the balance of this sword. The handle as well. It feels smaller than regular katanas. It does feel a little bit top heavy. Let me see the point of balance. Yeah, the point of balance is pretty off by a lot. Let me see. Yeah, the point of balance is pretty off. So it's like by 7 inches. Whoa, they almost had an accident. I almost fell. I'm wearing sandals like the traditional Japanese warrior. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's my first shirasaya. So In a future video, not that far from near, I will make some cutting videos with this one. Let me see. Sometimes here in the edges, you feel like a burr. This one does not have burrs. Like coming out to the side, that is. It feels really nice. Like the grind of the edge of the cutting part, it feels really nice. Very cool. And because I'm blind, or if there's any other blind samurais out there that want to be new blind samurais, the way to know what way you put in the sword, if you can't really feel how the curve of the saya or scabbard is, just by feeling right here on the koiguchi, you could feel like there's a bigger, it's rounded off here more on the bottom. That's going to be the spine, and where it goes more narrow, that's going to be the edge. So it's a little nice tight fit in there. Giggity. Yeah, and this is the Musha Crimson Red Shirasaya. Rain shirasaya, which sounds pretty cool. It sounds like crimson rain. To me, what I think about when I hear that name is blood. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you, everyone. Please remember to share, subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Uh-oh.